What's up, guys? I'm out here at MotoAmerica Championship of Pittsburgh, and the race is starting in a couple hours, so I'm going to walk around, see what there is to do during a MotoAmerica weekend, so stay tuned. So one of the cool things about MotoAmerica, unlike MotoGP, they don't hide the riders. You see all the, they're all out here in the open. You can talk to the riders, the mechanics, check out the bikes. It's pretty cool. The Suzuki teams. Across the way we got Yamaha, Monster Energy. See him right here just working on everything. You don't have to spend any extra money or anything like that, just general, and you can come in all these tents and check out the bikes. Pretty cool. And the event goes from Friday to Sunday, and you can actually camp out here, RVs, tents, and it's good times. You gotta check it out. Wait, what? I'm about to go for a ride on this Suzuki. It's gonna be a two-seater ride. They take you around the track. I think 150 miles an hour. Woo!
As soon as his boots are on the ground, I'm right on your head. How's that? Oh man, crazy.
What? That was awesome. I'm ready to go again. That was nuts. The braking was unreal. It was starting to lose my grip there after about 2 laps, so that was perfect. I can't wait to do this again. So the Harley Davidson guys are about to do some stunt riding in a few minutes, so I'm gonna head that way and check it out. Should be pretty rad. Well, this was my first time at MotoAmerica, definitely not my last. Coming up next, they'll be in New Jersey and Alabama for the final round. Be sure to come check them out. Whether you're flying solo with your buddies or with your family, it's a good time.